So if you look at it for the next year or the coming year, if I have to put it like that, it depends upon the brand, where your consumer is. So if it is something like a Streaks Professional, it will be very brand experiential. It would be very heavy on digital. The moment I go to the Streaks Retail or Wasmall, it would be, depending upon the portfolio, it would be much higher on digital. We really bet on where the consumer is and how are you going to reach to that consumer in the best possible, in the most cost efficient way. I think the marketing is undergoing through a complete overhaul. So, if you look at it from earlier, just reaching the consumer, right? Now it is actually moved to attention and intent signals. So, you're really mapping the consumer. Now the consumer journey has completely be getting evolved. So earlier it used to be from awareness to a conversion completely. But now there are multiple touch points, the same consumer has been, you can reach out to. So completely the journeys are getting redefined. The third big thing is the message. Earlier, from a marketing point of view, there used to be one clean messaging, right? And which will only a particular one or two broadcasting medium which you use. But now it has changed a lot. You're co-creating your messaging with your relevant stakeholders, with your influencers. So still the heart of the messaging remains the same, but that's a big shift of the co-creation which is happening. So these are the kind of shifts which we are seeing in marketing and the advent of AI, right? The AI itself is getting a lot of in-house capabilities to be built, which you were actually earlier outsourcing to agencies. You are able to do the same work, same content, same thing in the in-house level at a much more efficient time, less time consuming and at a lesser ROIs, right? So that becomes a much lesser investment. So that really is changing the complete canvas for marketing.